Everyone, good afternoon. Today is a sunny day. Well, I was inside anyway, but I would like to share my configuration, my new version of it right now that I did. I bought the Louis Vuitton made here. Supposed to put like you can put the like a switch, whatever. But you know, it don't matter. You can put whatever you want in there. It's up to you, right? And this is the switch that I salvaged it from one of my solar edge inverters that burned down. Well, I don't know, they have thermal event. It not burned down exactly, it just like short circuit somewhere and it destroyed it. So I salvaged it, some part of it's to use on this box, and some of this like this DC breakers and lightning arrestor here. Well, because I can't afford midnight, too expensive. Just this alone almost $1,000. God, but it quality is good anyway. So I have too many batteries, you know. I bought 2 Nissan Leaf pack, which is equivalent to 48 kilowatt, because each Nissan Leaf is 24 kilowatt. I haven't assembled all of them. I assembled some of them, and sorry for unorganized because I have my stuff all over the place right now. I'm gonna clean up because I'm so tired. And I also have 200 amp hours, two pack of this on parallel right now. I haven't put the wire inside the conduit yet because I'm tired right now. I just finished this. Honestly, really tired. And yeah, this configuration is very clean if you look at it, and I plan to add some relays to control some of the stuff that I need to, like automation, so that I can connect it from somewhere else, Alexa maybe. And my solar edge is working very well because I have a hybrid here. So Schneider's contact switch SW, connect SW hybrid. And I have Magna signs here, so technically I should have 2 the same. I set, but I didn't. So first I didn't know. I just bought the Magnum. Oh, wow, the wind is so strong. Sorry about that. Open the door. But right now my off grid is produced about 1800 watt right now. This is 2:50 midnight. It's pretty good. At this time, if you look at the time, it's 2:50, almost 3 o'clock. I still produce 1800 watts. It's awesome. I haven't closed this one yet, and oh, there's a lot of work. I haven't put this wire inside the conduit yet, but that's the next step. We're gonna clean up later on. But stay tuned. I will update this later. And right now, as my cable management right now is considered to be good because it's cleaners, and compared to previously, man, it's packed and then the wire all over the place. But now it's cleaners, organized. So when it's organized, I mean, it should be good. For some reason, it shouldn't be having any issue, right? So they might produce more than 16 amp. That's why it's so hot. The current try to push, but it's alright, because if it push more than 16 amp, then if the circuit breaker will trip, so I'll be safe, right? So right now, technically, yeah, and everything seems to be fine, running okay. Well, I have to test it for a couple of days to see, and I still have 3 more input right here haven't connected yet, so I had to fix that one. And my Ethernet cable haven't hooked up to my media. This is right here, but I try to clean it up so that everything look good and clean, and I don't know. So stay tuned. I will update it in the next episode. Thank you for watching, and thank you for support. Thank you so much. Bye. See you next time.